Bistro, which is the restaurant that occupies the bottom floor of INN AJIJIC. Agua fresca of melons. It's delicious. So I'm starting my meal with lemon pepper chicken dim sum and dipping it in the soy sauce. I've never tasted this flavor combination. It is delicious.
Yes, I am having, and I'll show you, this is crispy fried tofu with marinara sauce on a bed of lettuce, and it is delicious. My beard looks crazy. It's okay. Hey. You don't eat Italian with chopsticks.
Where are my friends?
Don't tell him.
Ooh, what'd you get?
I got. Okay, this is so bad. I got cheese tortellini carbonara. I haven't had pasta in forever.
And a salad.
And a salad.
And I got pork medallions with vegetables. And you also had dim sum.
I did have dim sum, and you also had fried tofu.
And I had fried tofu.
Yeah.
And it was delicious.
Yeah.
So,
I'm not going to let people watch me eat this on video.
No, because you're going to stick your face in it. Go ahead.
What do you think?
Food is delicious. Every bit of it.
Yeah.
You didn't let me take a picture of that first. You started eating it.
I know, but we took video. When it first got here, we cleaned our coffee mugs, and so I thought I could just
What do you think?
go after it.
You wanted to buy chairs from
You attacked it.
You give us the chairs. we'll
Put
send
bites
you
in it.
the-
I forgot
Oh,
to.
right here.
With tip, that extravaganza of food, drinks, dessert, coffee, everything, the whole works, and we tipped a little more than the standard tipping amount here because the waiter was fantastic. So we paid 1,000 pesos for everything, including the tip, which equates to $58 US. Wow.
That's like 2 Big Macs and a Coke.
in the States, that meal would have been easy $150, $200.
Totally.
Yeah, after tip. Yeah,
And it was delicious.
oh,
So remind me again what you had.
I had As a starter, I had lemon pepper dim sum, and then I had a kind of a Mediterranean salad with goat cheese and candied pecans and bacon. It was delicious. And then I had cheese tortellini carbonara. I had an agua fresca. After dinner coffee with a raisin and plum bread pudding with an orange sauce and vanilla ice cream. I mean, I'm not going to eat for another day because I'm so full, but...
So I had an appetizer of fried tofu with marinara sauce, and then I had the pork medallions with vegetables, and I had part of KJ's salad and a bite of everything he ate, and I had coffee, and it was all literally perfectly cooked, delicious, and all fresh and excellent. Like, just looked beautiful on the plate.
And the service was amazing.
Yes, it was.
Absolutely amazing.
The waiter was on top of everything. We did not wait for anything. Bread, drinks, water, nothing. There was no gap.
And since we're staying here at INN AJIJIC,
We got to bring our coffee cups upstairs.
we got to bring our coffee cups with us, and we'll bring them back in the morning.
Coffee's delicious.
Oh, yeah, it is.
So if you haven't already, check out Go Bistro at INN AJIJIC.
And if you haven't already, go find your truly remarkable life. I will honestly say, hands down, some of the best food I have had here. It is amazing.